tendency to just come up with. But by the help of Sydney, she had to have a script.
Yes.
So, here we are. All right, I think we're ready.
So we're not off script.
All right, you ready? All right, let's all listen. And this is a story about Easter. Here we go. At Brookwood, we believe everyone has purpose and everyone belongs. But even here, some days feel heavier than others.
No, today just feels off. Like I'm not tight enough for. I'm just not getting it right. Stop, Maddie. You don't have to be perfect. You're doing wonderful. It feels like I'm stuck.
That feeling of being stuck isn't new. A long time ago, people felt that same kind of heaviness. After Jesus died, his friends were heartbroken. We thought he was the one. Now everything feels lost. Are we pushing ahead? Okay, we're supposed to roll the tube shut, right?
Lisa, look! I killed him!
Is still.
A stone was rolled into place. It felt final, like hope was gone.
That's what it feels like. Like something's in the way and I just can't move it.
But on the third day, everything changed. Wait, the stone is gone!
Why are you looking for the living among the dead? He's not here! He is risen!
Do not be afraid. Hope is not gone. I am alive.
My teacher! You're about to be dead. My teacher.
So, even when everything feels like it's over, it's not?
Exactly. Things change.
Wow, so I'm not stuck.
The stone was never the end, and neither are the things that hold you back.
And again, I am not stuck.
At Brookwood, every day is a chance for a new beginning.
You matter.
You belong.
There is hope.
And I can keep going.
Better.
You are not stuck. You are seen. You are loved.
Everybody?
Let's go!